Hey everyone. Woohoo, hey. So I'm behind the camera right now, but anyway, welcome to the channel. This is Kevin the Entrepreneur. Welcome to the media channel. And it's been a while since we've done like an unboxing where it's just been the movie in my hands and maybe a perspective that will work a little bit better for what we are doing. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Steelbook edition for Best Buy's release of the Hurt Locker. Now, I thought it would be kind of interesting. I've never done this one before in the sense that we've never actually compared the original case before. So, let me get this ready. But for those of you who maybe never owned the Hurt Locker won 6 Academy Awards, including Best Picture, and that is what the Blu-ray looked like. I like I like how they have the shot here. That's an iconic scene, and they have Jeremy Renner, so he was nominated for Best Actor for this movie. This is what really made him a star. And I think it would be interesting to just compare it to the new one. So this is what the new Steelbook case from Best Buy looks like. You can only get this at Best Buy, and it might even be sold out. I've got mixed feelings about the cover. It is cool, don't get me wrong. I wish this style had been for that scene, and I wish that they had highlighted in like a banner or something 6 Academy Awards including Best Picture. Having a little Oscar statue there when you won Best Picture used to mean something. And I think it's funny how there's this debate about whether or not people care about the Oscars anymore. And it's like, well, what about studios? Like, why aren't studios using the fact that they won Best freaking Picture of the Year in their own marketing? So anyway, that's kind of besides the point. Now, this is a worthy upgrade because it comes with a Ultra HD, and it does have a digital, so I can put it in my digital locker. So if you see the code in this video, rest assured, it has been redeemed. So that's what it looks like in the front. That's what it looks like on the back. There's the Anthony Mackie character, who Anthony Mackie should have got a Best Supporting Actor nomination for this. And, highlighting I'm sure the Blu-ray disc is the same thing as this. And what's interesting is it says movie and special features right there. So I'm wondering if some of the special features were ported over. Can't really be discussed here. So anyway, let's open this and let's kind of see what this looks like, because again, this is a Best Buy exclusive, and these Best Buy exclusive Steelbooks, they tend to come and go fast, and once they're gone, well, unfortunately, the only way people know what they look like are to look up screenshots or to watch videos like these. So how's that for so let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna say something. I mean, these slips things are nice, but I kind of like it when they interact with the Steelbook case underneath. This one just covers it up. That said, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like that's what I'm talking about. And ooh, yeah, now let's open it. This will give me a chance to, Penn and Teller magic. The digital code is not there anymore. So that's what that looks like. And let's turn around and, oh, how nice. Okay, first of all, love the artwork on the bomb cutting. I mean, this, you may remember, these are some intense scenes, but I mean, look, oh my gosh. So look, this is nice. It looks like a burned disc that military personnel would use. 16 times speed, 130 minutes. Look, I almost tried to pull that off. Like, like these are like, fake the movies that you would buy in Iraq that they sell. So, oh my gosh, that is a very nice touch. Another one, oh my god, again, the sticker. I love that sticker. My goodness. This one's a little bit harder, so I have to kind of take it out. But yeah, there it is. And whew, that is very nice. So anyway, this is, oh my gosh. So we have to just compare. This was an unusually good touch. So I didn't know that was going to be the way it was, but let's take okay, so this is what the original Blu-ray of the Hurt Locker looked like. And you know, it would have been very easy to just take this, put it in here, and then make a black Ultra HD disc. I would have even been okay with that. But I mean, look at the extra care they went to. Like, I hope the standard edition of this release has these discs, because that's a shame to only have it for the you know, this Steelbook edition. And again, I cannot get over. I want to take these things off, but I can't. They're part of the label. That is awesome. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna wrap that. This was a big surprise. So we'll just kind of prop them up one more time. Put this. Now, for the record, I know that this regular Blu-ray doesn't have the best picture on it, but I know later releases did. Boy, this is old. I mean, this has been on the shelf for a while. I'm actually okay. I'm almost sorry if you heard that. I'm almost glad to be getting rid of that one. So yeah, no, this is a definite, like, this is going to replace that very easily. So anyway, yeah, I'd like to know, do any of you have this? What do you think of it? Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.